Alrighty, good afternoon, students. Hopefully, everybody's having a good evening so far. So, this is going to be part one of two videos I'm going to do today. I might do three. This one is going to be the remediation video, or what I like to call the beginner's level video. Then I'm going to have an on level video. And then, like I said, if I do another one, sorry, I'm trying to cook something. If I do another one, then it'll be the enrichment video, okay? Um, so let's start off with just talking about numbers. All right. So when you were in elementary school, you were introduced to what we now in high school call the natural numbers. Okay. And so the natural numbers are just the numbers you use every day just to count. Okay, or to tell your age or things of that nature. Okay. So for instance, natural numbers are numbers such as 1, 15, 100, uh, 700, 5,298. Okay. Those are the natural numbers. All right. Then you also have what is called the whole numbers. Again, this is something that you probably have seen before. The whole numbers are just really the natural numbers, but with the number zero. So it includes zero, and then one, two, three, and then some more down the line. Let's say um, 135, and then more so down the line, um, 2 million, 98,377. Okay. Oh, 377. All right. Then, when you got to middle school, you were introduced to what is called integers, okay, or an integer. And the integers, the set of integers is the numbers that contain all of the whole numbers and their opposites. Okay, so in this particular case, you not only have one, but you also have negative one. Okay, you not only have 100, but you also have negative 100. Okay, you also have negative 235. Okay, um, and you also have positive 13,333. Okay. Now we also have what is called the rational numbers. And rational numbers are really just fractions. Okay. So they would be numbers such as, you can use the integers too as well, or the whole numbers too. So for instance, if I take negative 100, I can write that as negative 100 over 1. Okay. But you can get more detailed with it. Let's say you also have numbers such as 2/3, negative 1/2, 3.25, okay, 1 and 3 over 4. So these are all of the numbers that we have seen so far. Okay, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Okay? So that is one thing I just wanted to just kind of just put you guys out there in the mind frame of just what is the different types of numbers that we've seen. The next video I'm going to do is going to be a video that's going to tell you how do we decipher between rational numbers and what is called irrational numbers. Okay. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do that now. Go to the next page. Type in. I'm not gonna go too far into it, but I'll just type this right here. Let's talk about rational numbers. All right. So again, from the last page we just saw, you have many different types of rational numbers, correct? So again, we have things such as We can have 4 over 1. Okay. We can have we have negative 2 over 7. Okay. If I write the number 3, okay, I can write that as 6 over 2. Okay. It's a rational number. The number 1/2 is also the same thing as saying 50 over 100. Okay. The number 2 is the same way as saying 100, or negative 2 is the same as saying 100 over negative 50. Okay. These are all ways that you see rational numbers. All right. So in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead on and start from the course workbook. And it is section 1, topic 3. And we're going to talk about the difference between rational numbers and irrational numbers. Right?